Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google Play Store and confirming you're signed into the right Google account. Once done, tap your profile icon, then go to Payments and Subscriptions and choose Payment Methods. This is where you add funds or link a payment instrument. You need a valid credit or debit card, PayPal, carrier billing eligibility, or a physical or emailed Play gift card code. Make sure to have billing info ready so you don't interrupt the flow. You now add or redeem a payment option. Select Add Payment Method for cards, PayPal, or carrier billing, or pick Redeem Code to load a gift card to your Play balance. When entering card details, type the number, expiry, CVC, and the billing address exactly as on file. This prevents declines. For PayPal, follow the login and permission prompts. If redeeming a gift code, enter it carefully, then tap Confirm. The balance updates immediately and is ready for purchases. Finish by making a small purchase or checking payment methods to confirm everything saved correctly. Once confirmed, you can use your Play balance or linked payment method for apps, games, movies, books, and subscriptions. Google prioritizes Play balance first for eligible buys. If something goes wrong, make sure to check card expiration and billing address, clear the Play Store cache, and retry. If declines persist, contact your bank or carrier. Because verification or blocks are often the cause, this usually resolves it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.